Hello friends, today we will be discussing about our analyzer named Korean IoT Bond with POS. First of all, I will explain that what all material is included into the system. So first of all, there will be 100 kgs of platter with a digital display. After that, you can see in the video as well, there is an analyzer with inbuilt vibrator, analyzing, and a display in front of you. Further, there's a POS machine with inbuilt printer. So now let's go ahead and discuss that how this system going to work and how you can use this cloud-based system on a daily basis in a very simple way. First of all, we need to put a container on which you have your collection or whatever collection you bought. After that, into the video as well, you'll be able to see that the total quantity of the particular can is displayed in front of you. Further, you need to set up your POS machine for the collection and for measuring all the parameters. For that, how you will be connecting your POS machine? This is a Bluetooth device. You can easily connect it with your analyzer. How you can add farmer into this machine, I'll explain you. First of all, there is an option of farmer. You can see you need to click on that. Further, you can be having an option of add farmer. You need to enter all these details, that is farmer ID, RFID, mobile number, what's the name, at what level you need to set that particular farmer. After entering all these details, you need to click on the save option. The farmer will be added successfully to your system. Now you can see that the ID we mentioned earlier, that is successfully saved in our device. Now you need to click on collect milk option for the sample collection and to check all the 10 parameters. After clicking on collect milk, you need to search the particular farmer ID on which you need to enter the details. So for example, here we added that earlier person, the name is Sham here. Further, we need to take the sample from the milk you bought and we need to first of all stir it. Okay, when we stir it, so we need to first put our sample in the vibrator. We call it stirrer. Further, it will stir your sample milk. It will disperse all the homogeneous particle and your sample will be ready for analyzation. So here our vibration stirrer part is done. Further, we need to put that particular sample into an analyzing machine and we need to press enter and wait for at least 30 seconds so that our result will come in front of us. So this machine gonna tell us 10 total parameters, which includes fat, SNF, density, protein, lactose, CLR, temperature, what's the freezing point. If there is any added water, that will be also measured by this machine. So here you can see in front of you all the 10 parameters is displayed, like fat, density and lactose, and whatever information you checked on the screen of the machine, that same information will be in front of you on your POS machine. Further, you need to collect that sample, you need to accept that collection, the slip will be there. The machine going to give you a slip or it will be having all the 10 parameters with the rate and all the information that machine has captured. You can access it on the web portal as well. In front of you, as you can see,